Hello everyone and welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show us how we can make money as a new user to this platform. So in our before we get started, let me quickly address one issue. In our previous tutorial, we talked about launch pool, launchpad and launch hook. And some of us are still getting confused about launch pool, launchpad, and launch pool. Though I believe that you all understand what launch pool, launchpad is, but launch pool and launch hook were giving much stress. So now, what they actually launch pool is the risks involved in launch pool is the base coin. Let assuming you want to participate in launch pool and the coin that you want to use is a USDT. So you actually stake maybe 100 USDT, 100 USDT, which is stable coin. So after that period of the staking, maybe 3 days or 5 days, you are going to get back your 100 USDT back. Nothing will happen to it, and they are going to reward you with the coin. But if you use unstable coin like maybe Ethereum, USDT, Ethereum, BTC, and any other coin that are fluctuating, you will get to know that if at the range of that project, at the range of the staking time, if the coin actually drop value, your money will the value of your money is going to drop. And if the coin actually increase value, the value of your money is going to increase. That is how it is. So to me, I prefer to maybe to just use the USDT that has the stable coin. So that is how I can participate in my launch book. But I'm sorry I forgot to include this in the previous video. So please kindly accept my apology and make the adjustment. So before you participate in launch pool, always think about this first. The base coin, like maybe the BGB is not a stable coin, and if you actually put it on the lock it may increase value, and it may decrease value. So it depends on how the market, and as you all know, we are in bearish season now, so the coins are losing value each and every day. So now let's quickly head over to this. If you are new to this exchange, you get a chance to win almost 100 plus USDT for free. So although the step is actually very clear and very simple, so let me quickly head over to you to step by step. So I'm going to leave the link of this exchange in the description, and also we are working on the partnering with them. If they are going to allow us to participate, maybe they would already chat with their customer, and if they can allow us, those who register under this link, I'm going to use their email for copy trading, and they get the chance to copy each and every activity as performed with this exchange. So this is let me head over to the information I have for you for today. As we all see, we have many informations here. So let me head over to the information I have for you, which is this new launch coin. So as we are all aware, one of the biggest airdrop is about to launch in next 4 days or 5 days, which is Pi. So and now the Bitgate platform actually made announcement on 14th of February 2025. Though I never want to talk about it, but I think this will be a very good opportunity for the new user to have to get the benefit of new coin and on the new exchange. So now what they actually mean is for now, look at this. I'm going to read it for you guys clearly and explain to you how you can stand a chance to win up to $120 as they claim. So the first thing is the Pi airdrop deposit and trade to win a share of 60,000 Pi. $60,000 worth of pie. They actually sacrifice that they are going to give $60,000 worth of pie. This is very huge for the new customers. And as you can see, they have almost 11,000 people that have read it so far ever since it was released. Here, here. Look at it. Ever since it was released, we have almost 11,000 members that have read it. Now, let me quickly walk you over through step by step how you can also chance to win as a new beginner. Now, here is it. They say they are excited to announce the pie will be listed on Bitgate to celebrate. They also prepare an airdrop event to participate now for a chance to win share of 60,000 pi by completing this simple task. All you need to do is to click the link I'm going to include in the description so that you're gonna be my one of my referrer enabled. We are currently working on making them, if they will allow us to be one of their members as a copy trader. So though all the people that register under this link will be automatically added to my my watch, and they will also have the opportunity to copy my trade. I'm going to show you them later. So now this event is the period start from 14th of February 2025. If you actually register from on the 14th of April 2025, you get a chance to win this by doing the following step. During this period, the user who complete the following tasks share 60,000 worth of pie up to 125 watts of pie per winner. So this is how it's gone. Now the first thing is if you click on the link and you register and complete your KYC, you are going to win 3 pie automatically, $3 worth of pie automatically. So all you need to do is to click on the link and register and complete your KYC and wait for them to share you 3 pie. The second option here is if you actually here, this is the second option. You actually deposit $100 worth of USDT. You are going to win 3 pie here again, making it 6 pie. This is so crazy for new members alone who register from on 14th to on 3rd March. So this is how we are going to make it. And you see, by participating only those two, register alone and complete your KYC, you have $3 worth of pie. And by depositing $100 USDT, you have 3 USDT worth of pie again. The third one is if you reach deposit of $1,000, you the first time let's assume now the first deposit you made a deposit of $1,000, you are going to make they are going to give you 5 USDT worth of pie as a winner. So the fourth one is if you deposit worth of $30,000, they are going to give you $8 worth of pie as a winner. If you reach a deposit worth of $500, they are going to give you $30 worth of pie. This is for investors, I think so. If you reach trading volume $100 only trading time, you stand a chance to win pie $3 worth of pie. What I mean is if you let assuming you register and you complete your KYC, you are going to win 3 pie. You register after you complete your KYC and you now deposit $100 straightly as a first deposit, you win 3 USDT worth of pie again. So now this third option, if you now trade, maybe you trade on future trading or spot trading, and with a minimum volume of maybe $100, you use it to trade, as in you trade with it, you are going to stand a chance to win 3 pie as well. So the other one is if you reach a trading of $1,000, is the same as the $100, so you stand a chance to win these 5 pie. if you trade a minimum of $50, so these are all the same. Now the last one here is if you trade or minimum of 33 million USDT, you stand a chance to win that 50 USDT worth of pie. So this is how simple and how it is. Reward will be distributed after pie listing number of reward pie, e.g. reward value, average price in the 24 hour after the pie listed, and you click here to check the announcements, and that this is just from their platform direct, so you can also check it out. If you register, you can check it out and just claim it. Now the best opportunity is to just register now today, and if you have the fund, just put $100 and you can also remove that $100, meaning that you stand a chance to win $6 worth of by USDT. And you don't need to trade. If you are still interested to make more money, you can use that same $100 to trade, but you don't need to trade. Don't be greedy, just make that $6 free money and move out of the market. So that is just all for now, and see you